What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Big Chart Trades back with another video, and in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I made around $650 across 5 top step evals. Let me show you the proof before I actually show you the trades. Okay, so wait a second. Okay, right there. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's around 657. Brought the balance back over break even. If you take a look at these stats, this is December PA. 72% trade win rate, $35 profit on the account. All right, so like the past 2 weeks have just been full of two L's. I took two L's and then I got break even a bunch of times. Literally got break even 5 times in one fucking day. And then today I took my trades. So this was a dub, this was a break even, this was a break even, this was a dub. And in this video, I'm going to break down the trades for you. So, yep, this is across 5 combines. Like I said, trading past few months has not been ideal, and I'm just trying to be 1,000% transparent with you guys. That's what you guys, want from me. That's what I want to do for you. So, yeah. What else was I going to say? I'm going to say something else. Oh, yeah. What I'm doing with these accounts is my whole point of this is to just build good habits and focus on building good habits with micros until 2026 starts. So I can start 2026 with a bunch of good habits and 5 solid XFAs, fresh funded accounts for 2026. So the way that I'm trading these, I'm literally just using 3-4 micros per trade. And yeah, and you guys will see the trades that I took today. So coming into the market today, we had this bearish 4-hour gap, and I wanted 10 a.m. Obviously, we've already inversed it at this point, but I wanted 10 a.m. to inverse this because I wanted to take longs up to this bearish daily gap up here. Just mark that out for you. Yeah, so I wanted longs up here because we actually never ended up tapping into this daily bearish gap. So I was going to wait for that. That was the plan, but then I saw a beautiful 3-minute setup here. We had a beautiful. Let me go to the replay mode. Okay, so for here, we had a beautiful SMT, as you can see. So we were inside of this 5-minute fair value gap right here, right? And we had this beautiful SMT with ES. Okay, ES clearly swept that low. The nasdaq obviously did not sweep that low, so we have that bullish SMT, and then we had a inversion, right? If you know how I trade inversions, you can watch the inversion video that I posted on my channel. It actually does a really good job of explaining this to you. But basically, it is the only bearish, the only bearish for value gap in the manipulation leg, and there was quick displacement up right here. That first candle inversed it after it was formed. So this was a very high probability inversion. Again, I took this trade with fucking 4 micros probably, and TP was 16 points, stop loss was 11 points. It was a 1.4R. Very simple trade, just to this internal high right here. And yeah, that was a nice bang right there. That was like $200. And then what I waited for was, let me play it a little bit. Okay, so then what ended up happening was that ES ended up taking out this high. Okay, as you can see right there. Select the bar. Okay, ES ended up taking out this high, and obviously the NASDAQ did not take out this high, as you can see right here. So that is our SMT, and if we drop to the 1-minute time frame, we have a beautiful liquidity sweep right here, right? As you guys can see, that's our sweep, that's our SMT. Beautiful inversion. Okay, this is a protected high, should be a protected high. Beautiful inversion, literally just fucking formed it, immediately inversed. That was my entry, and I actually held this all the way down to a 2.95R right there. Honestly, could have held this all the way down to London lows down here, but I didn't. But I could have, but I didn't. Only problem with this second trade was that in order for this to be a proper trade, I should have waited, and this is my mistake. But honestly, I thought about this in the moment, and in the moment I was like, I'll take this anyway, and I'll just go break even there. So Should have waited for the 5 minute, and the trade would have looked something like this on the closure. Okay, stop can go at the high or this high right here. TP could go at this London lows right here for a nice 6R banger. And then obviously we would have gone break even after what? Where would we have gone break even? After we get that inversion, probably at this internal low right here, would have gone break even. So it would have been risk off relatively quickly. Would this have taken us out? No. So this would have been the trade. If I waited, I should have waited, honestly. But it is what it is. I'm happy with these trades today. So these were my two trades today. Um, and yeah, you guys saw the Top Step dashboard. But yeah, so these were the trades today. Honestly, not the best price action. We left this Asia low behind, which should have gotten taken out, and then we also left that daily fair value gap behind up here. So it's like kind of fucking annoying that we're still stuck in this range, but whatever. Yeah, everything's posted on TikTok, everything's posted on Instagram, my stories, whatever, Twitter, everything. Join the free Discord in the bio, in the description, if you feel like it. And with that being said, that concludes today's trade recap, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.